Highly effective coping strategies if you have arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Because arthritis can affect the way that you cook, it is important that you buy the proper cookware and utensils. If you pick any old utensil, you may find that you cannot use it. It is recommended that people with arthritis get lightweight cooking utensils that have easy grips. To help ease the pain and discomfort of arthritis, experiment with different relaxation and stress relief techniques. If you are under stress, it can release chemicals that will make your muscles inflamed and you will feel pain from arthritis. Try to come up with some good coping mechanisms to reduce your level of stress, such as taking a daily walk or meditating for a few minutes. Exercise the proper amount, plus make sure you are doing the right types of exercises to help. You can stay healthy and fit and increase your body's flexibility. You want the inflammation-reducing effects of good low-impact exercise, but you also want to avoid pushing yourself too hard. If you experience pain, stop. Make sure to educate yourself as much as possible about rheumatoid arthritis, and how it can affect pregnancy and breastfeeding. There's a lot of different information out there, and being well educated can make all the difference in the world in how you handle your symptoms and flare-ups. If you are dealing with a type of pain that also makes you feel tired, use a warm pack on the area. Arthritis sufferers need to treat their pain with heat rather than the cold treatment that is commonly dispensed for pain. Fatiguing pain is treated best with warmth, as this restores energy and gets rid of the pain. Time yourself so you don't overexert yourself. When you are doing your chores, set up an egg timer or the timer on your microwave to allow yourself a break every 15 minutes or so. A lot of people ignore the pain so they can finish the task, but this is actually harmful. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.